the chat who they think made rondos. She live, the back like bongos. Outside my yard eating, and my phone gon' pay with my base from Congo. Pronto, man have to swipe that pronto. Now ain't the time for doing up convo. Ain't doing up 6 or 7, guys got true like Xavi Alonso.
We see today, we're gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
You already know that thing, he's always chatting. But basically, I'm gonna make bare bangers today. Obviously, you man already know the thing is M's, cleanest guy on the app, like, literally. But for the matter, obviously, 80s and E, just say that. Spam 80s and E in the comments. All my M supporters, love all of you, man, naturally. And obviously, new guests to the studio, first time coming up. Say yo.
And that's in your spot.
And as well, say yo. Obviously. It's not really going in the vlog anyway. And Prof. Alright guys, chat in the comments, say Prof stinks. Thanks, my boys. You man already know the thing. Live boys, man.
We are live in the studio. Don't know about it. If you don't know about it, then get to know about it. You get them. You get them. If you don't get them, then you don't get them. Let's get to it. You don't
Yo, these are no freshies,
If
bro.
you don't get them, full text.
Are we gonna record? Are we gonna record?
Bro, tell these man to be serious, bro.
Hello, are we gonna record the tune? Are we gonna record the song?
Please,
Please.
I'll just play it and then you just place it in it.
Okay, I'm coming now.
Yeah, go on, just place that and then you see the ad-lib that I done. So that match that in, my boy. I'm gonna come airdrop the thing to you now. International shorty like how rap. She asked where I come from. Here to a jolie Felice, so I booked that ticket from Paris to London. She told me that she can't stand less. Sitting alone and say I'm 100. I don't think you're getting the gist. I booked the return that cause a conundrum.
I've been drinking sin on go. I was down and I was low. Trust me, I was grinding, I was doing it with bro. You really said you love me, but I went through your phone. Saving my money, just leave me alone. Let me go from there. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I was down, I was down, I was down. I ain't playing with no clouds. No, no, I ain't playing with no clouds. I've been drinking sin and go. I was down and I was low. Trust me, I was grinding, I was doing it with bro. You really said you love me, but I went through your phone. Saying my money, just leave me alone. Playing all these games, it was dark and I'm past, I was down. Says you want me, now it's money, so you gotta go, yeah. I ain't playing with no clowns. No, no, I ain't playing with no clowns. Says you want me, love me. If you want for money, would you love me? Trust me, playing on it. Gone by 4 in the morning. Sound in your voice so hoarse, I'm joking. You ain't gotta touch that door, I really like the way. You never seem to have enough things to say. We don't fall like I won't take no time. Don't stress, I won't take no time. Yeah. Yo, you know what it says? I won't take no time.
Gaffer, yeah.
Yeah. Don't stress, I won't take no time. My point, I won't take no time. I won't take no time.
He's wavy, bro.
See the guys are bringing the studio,
Yo.
Chat, you actually have to recognize my A.
If it's CNC, it's Gareth side still.
Good shops and get stained together, bro.
Go for big.
Go for a bit of girl, shall I have fun? Which one? You right?
Let's just keep it simple.
You right?
Hey, GD, what going though? Why am I seeing you in a Chelsea top though? I thought you was fun, bro. Nah, I hear it. You gotta do it for the content. I hear it still.
That's a facade. That's AI.
I said Sora AI, yeah, that's not real still.
That's AI. You see the comments on that one?
Oh, they were onto you still. They were onto you still.
I don't think one of them was about the tube. It's mad. GDEE. Is that E? Is that E? Alright, man.
The guys had GD and a rival top, man.
Bro, man, I've got to worry about themselves, bro. Man, I'm worrying about me.
But that's how dedicated the guys are, bro. That's dedication.
You gotta say something to the vlog though, in the CNC. Man, like, V, what, you're recording a tune for us today or not?
Yeah, apparently.
It's all good at a normal price. I ain't gonna read that line.
Flip, fuck, we start that bit.
I didn't like such a bad beams.
I only learned and I make a move. I only learned and I make a move.
Why are you vacuuming the food?
Yeah, okay. What's going on right now?
The guys are here, CNC shit.
Yeah?
We're here with all the man.
Okay. You're looking fun. Live.
What, pizza on Big Bro, yeah?
Yeah, pizza.
The top is clean though. Shop CNC, man. Shop CNC, man.
It's perfect timing. Mind me, body mind me. Came from the top, now I'm making it work. Ha, ha.
I went way too hard. The niggas on E. Don't dare try to raise my goal. All these people keep testing me. I'm not where you are. This one's that I ask especially. I left them there so far. I need a break. I'm trying to invest into my future. I need generational wealth. I can make money from my level junior. Remember them days I'll chop on a skew.
Yeah, let me get to my part again.
I'm getting this care. Make it back here, we get today to do what we do. Can't imagine the pain. Just take me, yeah. Trust me to go on a hero spontaneous. 25 year we paving the way. Don't forget, just remember the name. No.
Go on, give us a research. Chat to them, my dog.
Yeah, I know they hate on can't put my faith in people, too many man gon' live in the end. Don't got time for fakers, bro. Nah, no new friends. Me versus me, not me versus them. Not better than me, we both be bread. How do I say little M don't care? I must have lost my plot. M gonna make this music work, it's more than rap, I'm doing my job. Talking got out of the way, can't be speaking a lot. I don't get it even, I'm not gonna low my man, not that one lost. Yeah, I feel like call that black division's tunnel fam. For my set, that CNC got love for the gang. Okay, B. Got a lot of my man, not that one lost. Yeah, I feel like call that black. Oh, one time. Man don't care be even, I'm not going low, my man not that one lost. Yeah, I feel like call that black division's tunnel, man. What? You better throw my set, that CNC got love for the gang. I'm in the wildest west, I'm 6 for 6, not dirty Dan. Put my God in front, our music still got word, that's part of the plan. Silly. Give me the word, yeah. Give me so much more, yeah. What do you want? Let's talk. Darling, we could go New York. Hey, yeah. I know they hate on.
Well, you're not Remy, boys. I'll be real. You're not Remy, boys. I'll be real. Yeah, Glaze. L Glaze.
know they hate on I'll put my too many man go living on don't got time for what? Oh, no new friends. Give us me not, us them not. Hey,
Bro!
Yeah.
Boss, on est comme un bébé.
Attends, il y a un gars.
Vini hits, how much?
Yeah. She got no 10 legs. 10.
So Jakuva, how much?
Jakuva, na ratoni wanamkoma big. Yeah. I know they hate on
No, ma 13K.
Imagine.
Limited edition. I was going kati macho makanyora Louis Vuitton.
Show them, show.
Yakaita my lighters.
My socks are black.
My socks my polo. Hey shit.
What? No socks in the suit, yeah?
Ankle socks. Oh my god.
You're bagged, G. You're bagged. Go on.
We're doing it all damn week.
Are we doing it all damn week?
Just scam down it for 15k. We're not gonna add this.
Bro, what are these man on? Please, somebody tell me what these man are on.
Let me chat to them. This is what I deal with on a regular basis. Look at them.
You guys alright there?
What? Huh? Get him, Hims. What?
Bear in mind, it's 10:30.
Bro.
Bear in mind,
10:30 by the way. 10:30 by the way.
Get him, Hims.
Yo.
then we have this guy. This guy right here.
He's Bob still.
No.
This one's the Bob one. Ain't said a word today, bro.
Not one word. Oh, I wanna come studio. One word. Thank you for ordering pizza.
Our nigga though.
Because I might get dropped. Talk on a gang other dots. Like, please don't talk on the ops, because I'll slide round there with an M16 little beat. I'm capping, I don't do shit. Yo, bear man, when I dip. Fuck, taking a trip.
Good thing he said cap, because I was gonna scrap the whole thing. I was scrapping.
Whole thing was about to get lost,
Wait,
oh.
we go to church.
We're
all
good
of
youths
us.
though. Trust me, though.
Come back. Yo, look. Aye, 2K, 2-3, yeah, we stepping outside. Belly on face, we're serious guys. Ask Robo, could you cruise this whip? Brought down Audi, spinning that ride. Ask them youths what happened and be with JT slash when I link gun. Next day, our cruise to the block talking about Hatfield Day outside. Please don't chat on gang if you ain't on shit.
I thought I took you niggas out the fucking drill lab.
They're still there, still.
Okay? No one does drillings anymore, okay?
Trust
no
me.
one. Are you taking a piss? What do you mean I ain't taking a risk? I grind every day for the love of the pit. That boy only down trying to get some fits. The brown skin bears won't fuck on a kid. They know my thing, I'm young and lit. I brush that hook, I ain't no trick. I brush that hook, I ain't no trick. Just won't fuck on a kid. They know my thing, I'm young and lit. I brush that hook, I ain't no trick. Just wait there till I caught me a bus down, cause right now ain't nothing to say. But busy feeling the tango, winding it up, walk on for your name. Lord, oh Lord, our times have changed. Can't spin back, cause the gang don't play. Bro still dishing out packs and flavors, getting that gun in the night and day. More than beer.
No way, she more than big.
They're at your age.
I don't think I'm boss, but you know that. Let them know why they look at me like that? Oh my god.
And then, yeah, let me go on.
Bro, what is that about? Oh, his guy's a walking wife, bro.
No way, she more than big.
Just chill. Shall I tell you something? He just called you his son, by the way.
No, because sometimes we need to tell you something. You don't
His
need.
son.
Yeah, I didn't say that. I said.
Wait, Dada, why
You are
are you
ready. Just calm down. Just relax. No need. GD. He's like. You don't need to get in there.
He's filming something using my glass.
But you don't need to get
I
on.
can't.
I got you, sure, I got you.
Now you are turning red tomato.
Never say that you love me, but that will last never. It's cold outside. Why you out of my life? Why you out of my life? 'Cause I get like this every time.
Quarter past 11, sesh done. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. More vlogs on the way. Boom!
Boom! Man said, boom! You understand? So subscribe to the thing, fam.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. CNC out.